Hi guys, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on these pastel droplets. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Ready for Takeoff, which is a peel-off base. You can use whichever is your personal favorite. The polishes that I'll be using today are mostly from the Color Club Whatever Forever Pastel Neon collection. The yellow is Like a Boss. The green is It's All in the Attitude. The teal is I'm Outta Here. The blue is Take a Chill Pill. The purple is Can You Not? And the pink is Girl Gang. I'm going to be using those after I've applied my vinyl, and for my base color, I'm going to be using Orly Eau Champagne. As you saw, I cleaned up a little bit around the edges and then used a coat of Sèche Vite to speed up the dry time. These are pretty much completely dry now, and it's time to add the nail vinyls, which I have already prepped by painstakingly removing the small droplet portion of the vinyl from each one. As you can see, I've taken the normal vinyl and cut it into 3 pieces, and I'm going to use a strip down the center of my nail for each of these. And I'm going to line it up so that the top droplet is at the top of my nail and apply them on all my nails. You can replace your vinyls as long as they're still sticky in order to get them placed exactly where you want them. And then I have a small detail brush. I'm going to be going directly into the bottles of polish and trying to work quickly since I'm working with multiple colors. And I'm basically going to do 1 droplet in each color for each nail. Before I peeled the vinyls off of their backing, I was mostly worried about the design I would be using, so you saw I did have a few extra pieces that stuck on after I peeled them up. I also had a few areas that got a little bit stringy and left some mess behind, so I'm going to be going in with a very small brush dipped in acetone to just clean up any of those little strings that were left behind. Finally, I'm going to finish everything off with the top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I'm really pleased with how these turned out because they match the idea that I had in my head, even though I didn't do very much testing. The vinyls were a little bit of a pain to work with for several reasons. I always have trouble with the ones that have small pieces to be removed, and working with this many individual colors, some of them kind of started to dry when peeling the vinyl up, but in the end it all worked out. I think these would be great for Easter, although I'm not sure if these will quite make it to being my Easter manicure. But I'd love to hear what you guys think down in the comments. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.